How to fix Facebook group is being disabled due to community standards. So the Facebook group can be disabled due to violation of the platform's community standards, which are the guidelines designed to maintain a safe and respectful environment for all users. These standards covers a large variety of issues including hate speech, harassment, violence, misinformation, and many more. If a group shares content that promotes harmful behavior, encourages illegal activities, or spreads false information that could cause harm, and after that, Facebook may take action by disabling the group. So make sure that you do not do any of the activities that will cross the boundaries of the Facebook guidelines. If the group has been disabled, now what you want to do is head over to your application Facebook and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Over here, head over to Help and Support, and then move into Report a Problem. Tap on Continue to Report. Click on Don't Include. As we're having issue with the groups, tap on Groups. Now in this page, you simply have to state the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. If you do not know what to write, then you can simply copy and paste the thing I have just written. You can simply write, "My Facebook group has been disabled due to community standards. Please help me fix this issue as soon as possible." You can also include the screenshot of the issue. Once you have entered, tap on Send at the top right corner. Now within 24 hours, the Facebook support will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Facebook group is being disabled due to community standard. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.